Are you dreaming of exploring the world without breaking the bank? In this video, we'll uncover some of the best budget-friendly travel destinations across the globe. Whether you're a student, a solo adventurer, or a family looking to save, there are plenty of places where your money goes further. From vibrant cities to stunning natural landscapes, affordable travel is more accessible than ever. We'll guide you through top picks, tips for saving, and what makes each location unique. Let's get started on your journey to affordable adventures. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing quality or experiences. In fact, many budget destinations offer rich culture, delicious food, and breathtaking sights for a fraction of the price you'd pay elsewhere. By choosing affordable locations, you can extend your trip, try more activities, and immerse yourself in local life. Plus, budget travel often leads to more authentic adventures, as you're encouraged to explore off the beaten path. Let's dive into the reasons why budget destinations are a smart choice for savvy travelers. Southeast Asia is famous for its affordability and vibrant culture. Countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia offer stunning beaches, ancient temples, and bustling markets. Street food is both delicious and cheap, and hostels or guest houses provide comfortable stays for just a few dollars a night. Transportation is easy and inexpensive, making it simple to hop from city to city. Whether you want to relax on a tropical island or explore historic ruins, Southeast Asia is a top pick for budget travelers. Eastern Europe is often overlooked, but it's packed with charm and value. Countries like Poland, Hungary, and Romania offer beautiful architecture, rich history, and lively nightlife at a fraction of Western Europe's prices. Public transportation is efficient and budget-friendly, and you'll find plenty of free or low-cost attractions. From the fairy tale streets of Prague to the thermal baths of Budapest, Eastern Europe is perfect for travelers seeking culture and adventure without the high costs. Central America is a haven for budget travelers who love adventure. Countries like Guatemala, Nicaragua, and Honduras offer lush jungles, volcano hikes, and stunning lakes. Local buses and shared shuttles make getting around affordable, and you can find cozy hostels or guest houses for a great price. Enjoy fresh tropical fruits, explore ancient ruins, and meet friendly locals, all without spending a fortune. Central America's natural beauty and vibrant culture make it a must-visit for those on a budget. South Asia, including India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, is renowned for its affordability and cultural richness. You can travel by train or bus for just a few dollars, and meals are incredibly cheap yet flavorful. From the Himalayan mountains to tropical beaches, South Asia offers diverse experiences. Temples, palaces, and bustling markets provide endless exploration opportunities. If you're seeking a destination where your money stretches far, South Asia is an excellent choice. South America is filled with budget-friendly destinations, from the Andes Mountains to the Amazon rainforest. Countries like Bolivia, Peru, and Ecuador offer incredible scenery, vibrant markets, and unique traditions. Local buses and hostels keep costs low, and street food is both tasty and inexpensive. Whether you're trekking to Machu Picchu or exploring colonial cities, South America delivers unforgettable experiences without a hefty price tag. North Africa, especially Morocco and Egypt, offers a blend of exotic culture and affordability. Wander through colorful souks, marvel at ancient pyramids, and enjoy flavorful local dishes. Accommodation ranges from budget hostels to charming guest houses, and public transport is wallet-friendly. North Africa's unique blend of history, architecture, and vibrant street life makes it a fantastic option for travelers looking for something different without overspending. The Balkans, including countries like Albania, Serbia, and Bosnia, are among Europe's most affordable regions. Here, you'll find stunning coastlines, mountain villages, and lively cities, all at a fraction of the cost of Western Europe. Local buses and trains are cheap, and meals at family-run restaurants are both hearty and budget-friendly. The Balkans offer a unique blend of cultures, making every stop a new adventure for travelers on a budget. Turkey is a crossroads of culture, history, and affordability. From the bustling streets of Istanbul to the fairy chimneys of Cappadocia, there's so much to see and do on a budget. Street food like kebabs and baklava is delicious and cheap, and public transport connects cities efficiently. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins or relaxing on the Mediterranean coast, Turkey offers incredible value for every traveler. Portugal is one of Western Europe's most affordable countries. With its sunny beaches, charming towns, and delicious cuisine, Portugal offers great value for travelers. Public transportation is reliable and inexpensive, and you'll find plenty of budget-friendly guest houses. Enjoy fresh seafood, explore historic castles, and soak up the laid-back atmosphere. Portugal proves you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy Europe's beauty. Greece is famous for its stunning islands and ancient history, but it's also possible to visit on a budget. By choosing less touristy islands or traveling in the shoulder season, you can find affordable accommodation and meals. Ferries and buses make island hopping easy, and local tavernas serve up delicious Greek food at reasonable prices. Greece's beauty and culture are accessible to travelers of all budgets. Mexico is a top destination for budget travelers, offering everything from ancient ruins to lively cities and beautiful beaches. Street food is cheap and delicious, and public buses connect you to every corner of the country. Hostels and guest houses are widely available, and you'll find plenty of free or low-cost attractions. Whether you're exploring Mayan temples or relaxing on the coast, Mexico delivers value and adventure. The Philippines is a dream for budget travelers who love the sun and sea. With thousands of islands, you can find white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and friendly locals. Ferries and buses are affordable, and guest houses offer great value. Enjoy fresh seafood, island hop on a budget, and experience the laid-back lifestyle. The Philippines proves that paradise doesn't have to be expensive. Indonesia is much more than just Bali. With thousands of islands, you can explore volcanoes, jungles, and vibrant cities, all on a budget. Local food is cheap and flavorful, and you'll find affordable guest houses everywhere. Public ferries and buses make travel easy, and each island offers its own unique charm. Indonesia is perfect for adventurous travelers looking for value and variety. Laos is a peaceful destination with stunning scenery and a relaxed pace of life. The cost of living is low, making it easy to travel on a tight budget. Enjoy river cruises, explore ancient temples, and savor local dishes for just a few dollars. Guest houses are affordable, and transportation is simple. Laos is ideal for travelers seeking tranquility and value. Nepal is a haven for trekkers and adventure seekers. The Himalayas offer breathtaking views, and trekking routes like the Annapurna Circuit are accessible to budget travelers. Guest houses along the trails are inexpensive, and local meals are filling and cheap. Beyond trekking, Nepal's cities are full of culture and history. It's the perfect destination for those who want adventure without a high price tag. Vietnam is a favorite among budget travelers for its affordability and diversity. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the serene waters of Ha Long Bay, there's something for everyone. Street food is incredibly cheap and delicious, and buses or trains connect the country efficiently. Vietnam's mix of history, nature, and vibrant cities makes it a top choice for those watching their wallets. Cambodia is known for its ancient temples, welcoming locals, and low prices. Visiting Angkor Wat is a highlight, and you'll find affordable accommodation and food throughout the country. Tuk-tuks and buses make getting around easy, and there are plenty of budget-friendly tours. Cambodia's rich history and friendly atmosphere make it a rewarding destination for travelers on a budget. Bolivia is one of South America's most affordable countries. From the otherworldly landscapes of the Salar de Uyuni to the bustling markets of La Paz, Bolivia offers unique experiences at low prices. Public buses are cheap, and local meals are filling and inexpensive. If you're seeking adventure and culture without the high costs, Bolivia is a fantastic choice. Guatemala is a vibrant country with colorful markets, ancient ruins, and stunning lakes. The cost of living is low, and you can find budget accommodation and meals easily. Local buses, known as chicken buses, are an affordable way to get around. Guatemala's natural beauty and rich culture make it a top pick for budget-conscious travelers. Sri Lanka is an island nation with a wealth of affordable experiences. From ancient temples to wildlife safaris and golden beaches, there's something for every traveler. Trains and buses are cheap and scenic, and local food is both tasty and inexpensive. Sri Lanka's friendly people and diverse attractions make it a great destination for those traveling on a budget. Egypt is a land of ancient wonders, and it's surprisingly affordable to visit. Explore the pyramids, cruise the Nile, and wander through bustling bazaars, all without spending a fortune. Accommodation and food are budget-friendly, and public transport is widely available. Egypt's rich history and vibrant culture make it a must-see for travelers looking for value. Morocco offers a unique blend of markets, mountains, and desert landscapes. The cost of travel is low, with affordable accommodation and street food. Explore the vibrant souks, hike in the Atlas Mountains, or relax in a traditional riad. Morocco's rich culture and diverse scenery make it a fantastic budget destination. Romania is a hidden gem in Eastern Europe, known for its medieval castles, rolling hills, and charming villages. The cost of living is low, and you'll find affordable guest houses and hearty local food. Public transportation connects you to scenic spots, and there are plenty of free or inexpensive attractions. Romania is perfect for travelers seeking history and nature on a budget. Hungary's capital, Budapest, is one of Europe's most affordable cities. Enjoy thermal baths, historic architecture, and vibrant nightlife without overspending. Public transport is cheap and efficient, and you'll find plenty of budget-friendly restaurants and hostels. Budapest's charm and value make it a favorite among budget travelers. Poland offers a rich history, beautiful cities, and warm hospitality, all at a low cost. Visit historic Krakow, explore the Tatra Mountains, or enjoy hearty Polish cuisine. Accommodation and transportation are budget-friendly, and there are plenty of free or inexpensive museums and attractions. Poland is a great choice for travelers seeking culture and value. Serbia is an underrated destination with lively cities, beautiful countryside, and a low cost of living. Enjoy vibrant nightlife in Belgrade, explore historic monasteries, and savor local dishes for just a few dollars. Accommodation and transport are affordable, making Serbia a great option for budget travelers looking for something different. Albania is quickly gaining popularity for its beautiful beaches and low prices. The Albanian Riviera offers stunning coastline, and you'll find affordable guest houses and fresh seafood everywhere. Public transport is cheap, and the country's rich history adds to its appeal. Albania is perfect for travelers seeking sun, sea, and savings. Bosnia and Herzegovina is a country rich in history and natural beauty. The cost of travel is low, with affordable accommodation and hearty local food. Explore the historic city of Mostar, hike in the mountains, or relax by scenic rivers. Bosnia's welcoming people and diverse attractions make it a great choice for budget travelers. Peru is a dream destination for adventure seekers on a budget. Trek to Machu Picchu, explore the Amazon, or wander through colonial cities, all without spending a fortune. Public buses and hostels are affordable, and local food is both tasty and cheap. Peru's mix of history, nature, and adventure makes it a top pick for budget travelers. Ecuador offers incredible biodiversity and affordable travel options. Visit the Amazon rainforest, hike in the Andes, or explore colonial cities, all on a budget. Public transport is cheap, and you'll find plenty of budget-friendly hostels and guest houses. Ecuador's natural beauty and value make it a must-visit for budget-conscious travelers. Nicaragua is one of Central America's best-kept secrets for budget travelers. Enjoy volcanic landscapes, colonial cities, and beautiful beaches, all at low prices. Accommodation and food are affordable, and local buses make getting around easy. Nicaragua's friendly people and diverse attractions make it a top choice for those seeking value and adventure. Honduras offers Caribbean beaches, ancient ruins, and vibrant cities, all at budget prices. The Bay Islands are famous for affordable diving, and you'll find cheap guest houses and local eateries throughout the country. Public transport is inexpensive, and there are plenty of free or low-cost attractions. Honduras is perfect for travelers seeking sun and adventure without the high costs. Colombia is a vibrant country with colorful cities, lush jungles, and beautiful beaches. The cost of living is low, and you'll find affordable accommodation and food everywhere. Public buses connect you to every corner of the country, and there are plenty of free or inexpensive attractions. Colombia's energy and diversity make it a favorite among budget travelers. Thailand has long been a favorite for budget travelers. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the tranquil beaches of the south, there's something for everyone. Street food is cheap and delicious, and you'll find affordable hostels and guest houses everywhere. Public transport is efficient and inexpensive, making it easy to explore the country. Thailand's mix of culture, nature, and affordability makes it a top pick. Malaysia offers a mix of modern cities, tropical islands, and lush rainforests, all at budget-friendly prices. Public transport is reliable and cheap, and you'll find affordable accommodation and food throughout the country. Explore Kuala Lumpur's skyscrapers, relax on Langkawi's beaches, or hike in the Cameron Highlands. Malaysia's diversity and value make it a great choice for budget travelers. India is one of the world's most affordable travel destinations. From the Himalayas to tropical beaches, bustling cities to tranquil villages, India offers incredible diversity. Trains and buses are cheap, and local food is both delicious and inexpensive. Accommodation ranges from budget hostels to charming guest houses. India's rich culture and variety make it a must-visit for budget travelers. Georgia, located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, is a hidden gem for budget travelers. Enjoy stunning mountain scenery, historic towns, and delicious cuisine, all at low prices. Public transport is cheap, and guest houses offer great value. Georgia's warm hospitality and unique culture make it a fantastic destination for those seeking adventure and savings. Ukraine is one of Europe's most affordable countries, offering beautiful cities, historic sites, and vibrant culture. Accommodation and food are budget-friendly, and public transport is cheap and efficient. Explore the lively city of Lviv, visit ancient castles, or relax by the Black Sea. Ukraine's value and variety make it a top pick for budget travelers. The Czech Republic, especially Prague, is a favorite for budget travelers. Enjoy fairy tale architecture, lively beer gardens, and rich history without high costs. Public transport is efficient and cheap, and you'll find plenty of affordable hostels and restaurants. Prague's charm and value make it a must-visit for those exploring Europe on a budget. While Lisbon is popular, Portugal's smaller towns and coastal villages offer even better value. Explore the Algarve's beaches, wander through medieval towns, and enjoy fresh seafood, all at budget-friendly prices. Public transport connects you to hidden gems, and guest houses are affordable. Portugal's charm extends far beyond its capital, making it a great choice for budget travelers. No matter where you go, there are ways to stretch your travel budget even further. Consider traveling in the off-season, using public transportation, and eating where locals eat. Look for free walking tours, stay in hostels or guest houses, and book flights in advance for the best deals. With a little planning, you can experience more for less and make the most of your adventure. Choosing the right budget destination depends on your interests, travel style, and the experiences you're seeking. Consider what matters most: culture, nature, adventure, or relaxation. Research visa requirements, safety, and local costs before booking. With so many affordable options worldwide, you're sure to find a destination that fits your dreams and your budget. Traveling the world doesn't have to be expensive. With so many budget-friendly destinations, you can explore new cultures, enjoy breathtaking scenery, and make unforgettable memories, all without overspending. Start planning your next adventure today and discover just how far your money can take you. The world is waiting, and affordable travel is within your reach.